Hello everybody and welcome back to another JK Running Productions video. And here today I'm going to be showing you my tune-up speed workout before the Samson Stomp 5K where I took first place. If you want to see that race vlog, it should pop up either right there or right there. I'm doing this intro in my room because I wasn't able to do the intro before the workout, so I'm doing this intro in my room. Overall, this workout went good. It got my legs moving and it got them ready for the 5K race where I took the W, as I said before. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like this video, turn those post notifications on for more of my content, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Strava. With that though, let me show you the tune-up speed workout. Guys, let's start this warm-up run in 3, 2, 1, go! Righty guys, warm-up run is done. Went 1.38, what's that pace? 7:16 pace. Not too bad guys, just a warm-up run. Gonna be doing 4 by 10 second strides, a CV interval, and then we're gonna do the main part of the workout. Alrighty guys, finished up the CV and the strides. Now it's time for the main part of the workout, the extensive tempo portion of the workout. I'm gonna try and hit sub 5, so 75 seconds for each 400. I'm planning on doing 4 of these, and the rest is 2-to-1 rest ratio. So that means if I run 75 seconds for the first rep, which is 115, I'm gonna have 2 minutes 30 seconds of rest. So you're going fast, but you get a lot of rest. And I did this before my Wisco Mile. Check out that video. That's one of the OG videos, guys. If you want to check that one out, go check it out. I broke sub 5 in that race. That link should pop up either right there or right there. I never know which one it comes on, so always point to both sides. But enough of me talking. Let's get into this extensive tempo portion of this workout. Alrighty guys, the extensive tempo portion of the workout is done. If I can, I'll try and post the workout during this clip. That way you can see this workout. And if you guys want to try this workout at home, feel free to do it. It's a good workout to help prepare for your big race, make sure to do it 2 days before you race though. But yeah guys, it's snowing. I know you guys thought probably I clickbaited, but no, it's actually snowing. Stocks is my witness, right?
Yeah.
It's snowing. We're going to do this cool down run though. Now we'll check in after that. Alrighty guys, the workout is done. This workout was awesome. My legs are finally starting to kind of make a turning point. They're not really feeling sore. They're not feeling dead. They felt really good out there doing this workout. I mean, part of it is I did a high mileage week last week, which was 33 miles. I did 2 long runs, 4-mile tempo, so it was pretty tough. But you know, today, this workout, I mean, 5 days past that week, my legs are finally feeling really good. So really excited about that, and ready to do my 5K time trial. With that guys, so make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn those post notifications on for more JK Running Productions content. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Strava. If you haven't already, join the JK Running Productions Running Club on Strava. Please join it, it's pretty fun. It'll be updates on videos, and plus when I do live streams I'll make sure to post in that way you guys know about that. But no trivia question of the day, just gonna sign off like I always do. The grind never stops.